Limo, Texas home tours continues today. We are in Haslet, Texas, looking at this 4-bedroom, 3-bathrooms home. Let's look at it. I like the location of it. Let's see, here's the entrance. Got this space right here, right in the immediate. Then you go straight, it's the living area. Alright. So your dining area there. The kitchen is gas. Alright. That's the view from the kitchen. Got your pantry right there. Got your fireplace. And down here is the master bedroom. As you can see, the master is huge. Double doors to the bathrooms. Double sink. Have your shower, get your tub. Alright. Then you get your walk-in closet here. Alright, so in our walk-in closet, do have one more spot here for the linen. Look at the upstairs. So get a huge game room right here. Get a bathroom here. Huge bedrooms. Have closet here. This corridor right here to access the other bedrooms. Very decorated. You have another bedroom here. It's a huge space. And you have another bathroom here. Alright. Look downstairs one more time. We're gonna see the backyard. Alright, so this is Sam Limo, your Texas realtor. Today we're in Haslet, Texas, looking at this beautiful home. Catch me in the next video and schedule your tour today. Thank you.